Some of our manufacturing clients, some of the key challenges they have are a very extensive site history where they do not always know what chemicals they've used, where they've used them, where they've stored them. They may not know what the foundation structure is that might be influencing where the remediation is needed, if there's preferential pathways on site. And this is something where, because of the nature of the legacy contamination extending decades, it may have expanded to locations that they're not aware of yet, and they may not be able to remediate within a manufacturing building's footprint. Because of that, one of the key challenges they have is managing their liability and not being exposed to emerging contaminants, not being exposed to new regulations such as vapor intrusion might change what the site closure strategy is. They may also have concerns about maintaining their liability on site, that there's not a preferential pathway that they aren't aware of that's leading to an off-site migration. So there's a lot of uncertainty about how they manage their liability and how they develop a strategy that can manage their liability while they have an active facility above it. I think Geosyntec's competitive advantage for manufacturing facilities is we have a very broad base of practitioners who have a lot of expertise. And this is something where if you're limited in how you access the site, the investigation techniques might require some special skill sets where call up an expert who's done slanted drilling to be able to collect soil samples from underneath a building. Calling up somebody who has in situ treatment experience. We have a lot of in-house expertise related to monitoring natural attenuation, and also that's something where we have very strong contracting mechanisms to be able to bring in subcontractors with specialty technologies such as thermal treatments, such as doing in situ injections. And that's something where we can do this all within one company and not need to have the client contract directly with another company.